Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Washington County and southeastern Ohio until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Beverly, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lower Salem, Lowell, Maxburg, Fleming, Beverly, Devola, and Marietta. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 3 and 17. The forecast for Athens, Washington, Meigs, Gallia, Mason, Pleasants, Wood, and Jackson County, West Virginia.